अप्रिशिएट किया गया था, वो मिस्टर बच्चन हो, इरफान और आप, तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप इसके?
आई थिंक हम सब बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं. आई डोंट थिंक हम किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि लोगों को फिल्म अच्छी लगेगी, कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. ये सब तो हमको पहले से थोड़ा सा पता था, बट इतना प्यार मिलेगा और इतना मतलब लोग बार बार जा रहे हैं, 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार जा रहे हैं देखने. आई थिंक ये जो अब जो रिएक्शन मिल रहा है, आई डोंट थिंक एनी ऑफ अस एक्सपेक्टेड. और सच बताऊं तो आई थिंक इट्स गॉन बियॉन्ड अस ऑल्सो. अब जो हो रहा है वो ऑडियंस की तरफ से ही हो रहा है, हमारे हाथ से भी निकल गया है. एंड इट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल फीलिंग बिकॉज हम इसी के लिए काम करते हैं. एंड it's almost an emotional, overwhelming experience because I remember Shujit और मैं कल ही मिले थे and we just gave each other such a tight hug because it's really like it's so overwhelming. I can't even explain that feeling. I hope so. And super mom, super daughter, super families, super hit. I think that's what we're here to celebrate. एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज यहाँ मुझे बहुत सारे सुपर मॉम्स को मिलने का मौका मिलेगा. एंड सम परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑल्सो, डांस भी करेंगे मेरे लिए, हम सब साथ में भी नाचेंगे, तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है.
Deepika, Pico had an open ending of sorts. Given the fact that we don't know whether you and Irfan fall in love, get married or something of that sort.
Are you going to ask me if there's going to be a part 2?
Part 2.
Wow, see, I knew this question. I don't know. I don't think we've thought that far. I think right now we're all just being in the moment and, you know, sort of, I don't even know what words to use. I think we're all just sort of trying to understand what has happened to this film because it's a phenomenon, if I may say. I don't think it's ever happened before. So I think we're also just, as a team, coming to terms with what is happening to the film. एंड वो तो मतलब बहुत दूर की बात है. आई डोंट थिंक एनी ऑफ अस, आई हैव नो आइडिया. आई थिंक द फैक्ट दैट वी मेड दिस फिल्म विथ सो मच हार्ट and with a lot of purity, and I think that's what is coming across. You know, it was never made with the intention of it making big money. It was never made with the intention of a sequel. What is happening to it is just completely, like I said, I think we're just completely overwhelmed. And I don't think we've even thought that far.
Deepika, you personally want Pico sequels to be made?
I don't know. Yeah, I haven't really thought about it. A sequel is not always you know. I don't know. That's not really in my control. Just because you know, a sequel doesn't always necessarily do well. You know, I think it's completely in the hands of Shujit and Juhi and what they have in mind, and if they do, I'll be more than happy to be a part of it. But like I said, I don't think any of us have thought that far right now. I think we're all just really sort of trying to absorb this amazing reaction that we've not got, and not just in India. I'm shocked at what has happened to the film internationally. So yeah. I'm really excited. I've met him a couple of times socially, but I think today is the first time that I'll get to properly interact with him. And I'm don't let out my secrets. I'm going to try and get him to dance for us.
एक तरफ ट्रेडिशनल फिल्म होते हैं, करण जौहर जैसे, जगताज जैसे, एक तरफ सुधीर जैसे लोग आते हैं इंडस्ट्री में, और अनुराग कश्यप जैसे एक नया रिमार्क खड़ा कर रहे हैं बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तो ये कितना अच्छा है बॉलीवुड के लिए?
बॉलीवुड के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. द फैक्ट दैट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फिल्म्स आर बीइंग मेड एंड दे कैन ऑल को एग्जिस्ट. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक मैं क्रेडिट ऑडियंस को दूंगी. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, जो पीकू के साथ हो रहा है, दैट्स कम्प्लीटली दी ऑडियंस. हाँ, हम सब ने मेहनत की है. यू नो, लोग परफॉर्मेंसेस को लेकर तारीफ़ कर रहे हैं, लोग डायरेक्टर को तारीफ़ कर रहे हैं, बट until you get that love and appreciation from the audience, you know, what is it? So I think really जो हमारी फिल्म के साथ जो हो रहा है, it's really, I give all the credit to the audience.
Have you seen the trailer and any good wishes for that?
Absolutely. Not just for Ranbir, I think for the entire team. I know that it's a film that's been very, very difficult to execute. You know, and I really wish them all the best. And that's what I was saying earlier. I think it's possible for different kinds of films to coexist. I think that's a very different kind of film. Piku's a very different kind of film. I think it's, you know, it's more universal. You know, it caters to a family audience. So I think the films are very different, and it's very easy for all kinds of films to coexist. Okay,